Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Ricardo Carlos Rico Castroyan was a Filipino actor renowned for his roles in popular romance and comedy films, as well as television shows during the late 1990s and early 2000s. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Si Ricardo Carlos Castroyan ay pinanganak noong March 14, 1975 in the medical city then located in Mandaluyong. Lumaki siya sa isang pamilya ng mga sundalo at negosyante. Siya ay anak ni Roberto Yan Sr., isang etnikong Pilipinong Chino mula sa Metro Manila, at ang kanyang asawang Ilocana, si Teresita Castroyan, na nagmula sa Lawag, Ilocos Norte. Siya ay apo ni Manuel T. Yan Sr., dating Chief of Staff ng Armed Forces of the Philippines at ambasador sa Thailand, Indonesia at United Kingdom. Gayon din si Colonel Isabelo Ruiz Castro. He had three siblings, Geraldine, Tina, and Bobby, who is a television host. His parents were business owners and ran a security agency, drawing from the family's military background. Si Yan ay nag-aral sa Javier School para sa kanyang elementarya, nagtapos noong 1988 at nagtapos ng mataas na paralan sa De La Salle Santiago Zobel School noong 1993. Nakuha niya ang kanyang bachelor's degree sa marketing management mula sa De La Salle University noong 1997. He started his career as a commercial model in 1995. He was a college student when he was first discovered and starred on a TV commercial for a well-known men's facial wash. One of Rico's first projects was the youth-oriented show Gimmick, where he became a love team partner of Judy Ann Santos. He had three movie projects in the same year, one of which was the romantic comedy film Radio Romance, where he was paired with Claudine Barreto. It was also his first movie project. Nakilala rin si Rico bilang rich, creepy persona dahil sa iba't ibang karakter na ginampanan niya sa iba't ibang teleserye at pelikula. Si Rico ay nagbida ng ilang teleserye at pelikula, ngunit wala nang mas di malilimutan kaysa primetime series na Mula sa Puso kasama si Claudine. Ang serye ay inangkop din sa isang pelikula noong 1999. Rico got his first lead role in the 1997 romantic comedy film Paano ang Puso Ko with Judy Ann Santos and Wawi de Guzman. Rico passed away on March 29, 2002. His last movie project was the romantic comedy film Got to Believe with Claudine, which was released in cinemas in February of the same year. Rico's spiritual advisor, Father Tito Calawag, revealed that the late actor wanted to become president. He said Rico wanted to be a leader but never mentioned leadership because he only wanted to serve. He wanted to be like JFK, who gave America a sense of pride and class and inspired his people. Bagamat maaring nagmula si Rico sa isang pamilya ng mga sundalo at negosyante, ang yumaong aktor ay isa ring matagumpay na strategist at entrepreneur mismo at nagmamay-ari ng ilang negosyo kabilang ang isang brand ng Pearl Shake. Rico was a great friends with fellow actors Dominic Ochoa and Marvin Agustin. Nagbida pa sila sa isang lingguang sitcom na tinatawag na What a Man kasama ang comedy concert queen na si Ai Ai de las Alas. It was Dominic who discovered Rico had passed away in his room at a resort in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, while on a Holy Week vacation in 2002. He died of cardiac arrest due to acute hemorrhagic pancreatitis at the age of 27. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Hussein Ibn Ali, death with dignity is better than life with humiliation. Special thanks to my source from Google, https://www.gmanetwork.com and https://en.wikipedia.org. Photo Quidets 2, https://www.instagram.com and inspirational quote Quidets 2, https://graciousquotes.com.